everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Fabfitfun autumn unboxing to share with you. The box has been downsized this month. It's normally quite a bit bigger. You might not be able to tell actually on camera, but it is smaller than normal. But I do know they are trying to be more eco-friendly, so I suppose when you see the items that I've chosen, it makes sense why my box is a lot smaller. As always, if you're new to Fabfitfun, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I chose, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. It's a lifestyle, beauty, skincare, hair care, jewellery, fitness, everything you can think of type of subscription box. I've been a subscriber for about a year and a half now, ever since they announced that they were starting to release their boxes to the UK, and I've been impressed ever since. Yes, some boxes are better than others, but I do feel that even though the actual cost of the items do seem sometimes a little bit inflated, or quite a lot inflated, but I do feel for what you get and for what you pay, I do think it is worth it. This box is based in the US and it costs $49.99 and it ships 4 times a year. They ship to the UK for an additional $10. As well as shipping, you do pay VAT, and that comes to around $7 as well. It all depends on the currency conversions and everything, but you're looking at roughly, for VAT, shipping and the box to the UK, around £50 to £55 per box. There's no custom charges, which I'm really pleased about. I have been receiving this, as I said, for over a year, and every single box there's been no custom charges at all, and it's tracked as well. So as soon as they send the box out to you, they send you tracking information so you're able to track it. They offer 2 types of subscriptions. You've got the season by season subscription, which you pay for a box as you go along. It's a rolling subscription, but you can cancel it anytime, or you can opt for a select membership, which is what I've got, which is a yearly membership. The costs come down a little bit when you're adding the VAT and the shipping on top. There's not much difference. If you're a season by season subscriber, you get to choose 4 items. If you're a select annual subscriber, you get to choose 5 items, and then Fabfitfun choose 3 mystery items to put in your box, so you get 8 in all. All items are full size. So with a select yearly membership, you get to choose your items a week or 2 before the season by season subscribers. And also they do sales. They do add-on sales and edit sales. They do an add-on sale before the box is released, and you're able to purchase items off their website at huge discounted prices. I bought 1 item, so I'll show you what I chose. Select members have priority over that as well. It doesn't mean that a person that has a season membership will not be able to get the items that are available for the select member. It just means that there could be a chance that 1 or 2 are sold out. But from looking through the customizations, you've got a good list there. You have got a good list of items to choose from. Plus, if they sell out, they do sometimes bring them back in as well. Very rarely you'll find lots of them sold out, or else there'd be lots and lots of people really angry with this subscription. If you're interested in the subscription box for yourself, I do have a $15 off your first box refer a friend code. I'll pop that down below in my description, and I'll pop all links and everything to the subscription down there as well. So underneath this video, you see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. So inside every box you'll receive a magazine, and inside it contains all the products that are inside your box. It also gives you the value, so I'm able to tot it up at the end, but it also tells you the different categories, so I'm able to show you the different choices that you could make. But it also has like interviews and beauty tips and things like that. I do really like it, so I'll refer to that as we go along. Got lots of money off coupons. Right, they're all on top of each other. So I'll just give you a sneak peek. Before I show you what I chose, I just wanted to say that this box has not been my favourite box, and I remember last year, 2019, the autumn box. I wasn't that happy then either. Not bad, but there were some items which only people in the US were able to get and us in the UK weren't. Well, funnily enough, it's happened again for this box. The rest of the year has been amazing, but this fall box, I think there was some tongs, some like hair curlers. I can't remember what else now. There was 1 or 2 other things as well. I think there's a few different bags we weren't able to get in the UK, which really annoyed me because because I really wanted them. You have got the option to purchase additional items. So say for instance in category 1 you've got 6 items to choose from, so you choose one, but then there's another item, or it could be 2 or 3, that you think, oh, I really want that, I really want that. For an additional $15 extra you can choose it, so they just add it into your box and they charge you $15. So I did that for a little bracelet which I got here. This is by Jenny Bird. Never heard of the brand before. This is worth over $100. Now I thought, oh, this looks a little bit different. I quite fancy this. I like the fact that it's all different colours, but I think the chains are a little bit too chunky. Oh, actually, it looks better on. It does look better on. For $15, I'm happy I added this into my box as an added extra. Yeah, $135. This is the Austin cuff by Jenny Bird, a mix of classic and modern chains. This cuff is for the lady who loves a good stack. And the item I bought in the add-on sales was a serum, a vitamin C serum by Sunday Riley. And this is the CEO. Oh, I can't wait to try it. 15% vitamin C, and this is 50 mils. Packaging is huge. Look at that. That is huge. Now, this is quite pricey. I think I paid something like $50 for it. It's something I really wanted to try. And the percent of vitamin C as well. It's quite good, so I thought I'd give that a go. So that was my little treat, and that's the only item I bought in the add-on sale. So now on to all the items that I chose from the customization. So the first customization I chose was a set of 2 Stila makeup products. We've got a liquid eyeliner and we've got a mascara, and I haven't tried any of these at all. But ooh, I'm loving that wand. So far, so good. I am loving that wand. I chose these blindly, as in I didn't do any research, I didn't look up anything. I just thought, oh, I like the brand, I'll opt for that. And in all honesty, I didn't know what else to choose. I'll show you what was in the category and show you what I wasn't able to choose. And that's the liquid eyeliner pen there. That's nice, but instantly I can see it bleeding. There's a lot of liquid coming out. Ooh, there's a lot of liquid coming out of that. Maybe if I hold it up like that first, so it's not, all the liquid doesn't all the way go down to the tip. So the value of these 2 is $45, and it says, from thin precise lines to thick dramatic looks, the fine marker like tip does it all. The mascara gives major volume, length and curl with just one coat. And these were the other items I could have chosen. So the tongs there, they're lovely, aren't they? They're really nice. And then there's a backpack, and then there was a carry-on bag, or like a little, what do they call it there? 1A. It's a tote bag, but I would have liked it as like a travel bag, you know? Or if I'm going away for the night or something, because it's a nice big bag. So I probably would have chosen that one and paid an extra, what, $15 or so for one of those. But yeah, gutted, but never mind, I've chosen my items now, so on to the next one. And I chose a hair remover, and this is a hair removal device by Glossmetics. And it says here, the device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any areas of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. Now, when I first saw this, I thought it was like a little mini epilator, which I thought would be brilliant. A really handy, small, dinky size epilator. But it's not. It's not. I'll show you now. If I can open it, I'll have to open it from the bottom because I haven't got scissors near me. It is really cute, look. Got a battery and a cleaner. But it's essentially a battery-operated razor. See? It doesn't pull the hairs out. But lovely design, isn't it? Really, really nice. But, how's it supposed to work? It's not getting rid of my hairs either. Not that I've got really hairy hands, but I have got a few hairs. How's it supposed to work? It doesn't feel like... Huh? I can feel a little bit of a pinch. That is so weird. Random hairs I've missed the other day. Hold on. It is not shaving them. I'm not sure what else I'm supposed to do. gutted. It looks gorgeous. Really nice handy size, but it failed to take off any hair on my hand, and it failed to take off any like stragglers on my legs as well. This cost you $59.99. If you were to see this in the shop, my personal recommendation is bypass it. Don't buy it unless you can see that I'm doing something wrong, but I don't think I am. It just does not work. So it just says here, instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair for any area of your body. Well, clearly not from your legs and from your hands. Because it doesn't go. Oh, I'm gutted. See, there's some of the choices that I could have chosen. I don't know what I would have gone for. I've already had that in a previous box. I don't know, maybe the little scarf there. Now on to the next item I chose, and you might have seen it in the little preview there. I bought some glasses. These are blue light blocking glasses, so to be worn when you're on the computer, on your phone, etc. So I thought, right, sound amazing, absolutely sound amazing. They look really cool as well. I do really like them. A tortoise design. My daughter's got a pair that my eldest son gave to her because he didn't like them, and she doesn't really like them either because they're yellow, so it means that when she's wearing them everything is yellow. But these are clear. They look really small on me. They're okay. I'm not going to be going out the house looking like this. It's a bit like cloudy as well. I need them. Oh, they've got fingerprints on them. I just need to wipe them a bit. I'll probably keep these downstairs, so then if I know that I'm having a lazy day or whatever, I'll just grab them and put them on. So 3D then, what have we got here? These will cost you $45. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. So no, quite happy with those. And on to my next choice, and again I found it quite difficult to know what to choose. So I chose an Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a clear brow gel. I use brow gel all the time, and I'm very fussy with my eyebrow gels. I like them to be really stiff because I've got very fine eyebrows. Unless it's a really stiff brow gel, then they don't keep their shape. But yeah, I thought I'd give this a go, see what that is like. So just a normal one there. This cost you $22, and it says set the shape and colour of your brows with this lightweight gel. Those are some of the choices that you could have chosen from. Maybe it's just me being super fussy. These are amazing. I've received them before in a Fabfitfun box. I absolutely love them, but I didn't want the same. But yeah. So the last customization, and this one, select members choose the annual subscribers, but if you are a season by season subscriber, then Fabfitfun would choose a random mix for you. So yeah, so going back to this little page here, yeah, having to choose another item from that page, which didn't really excite me, I went for these. And I don't know why. It's a cutlery case. It just looked quite cute, I suppose. I really don't know why. I don't go hiking anymore. I don't go on picnics, not really. And in all honesty, unless I went on a picnic on my own, what is the point of them? They're not going to help otherwise. But I've got a knife, a fork and a spoon. Maybe it's the type of thing that people have in their cars. Keeping it in my glove box, so in case I'm out somewhere on my own and I'm hungry and I decide to buy a pasta dish. The spoon or fork that you see in them are useless, aren't they? But then I got these. I can't think of any other reason why I would have it. So to buy this cutlery set, it would cost you $14.99, and it says swap your disposable utensils with this wheat straw cutlery set. It also comes in a carry case. I can see the environmentally friendly aspect of it, but I am not a person to buy disposable knives, forks and spoons anyway. I just don't buy them. I don't use them, mainly because I don't go on hikes and I don't have picnics. So on to the first item, which I am quite happy about. If you don't want a spoiler, then don't look at any of your emails or go onto your Fabfitfun account. But if you do want to see what they've chosen for you, you can go onto your account. You can click on my customization or my box, and then it'll show you everything that you've chosen, and then it'll show you the 3 items that Fabfitfun chose for you. I had a look, so curious, I just wanted to know. But this is a Pedi in a Box Deluxe 4-step pumpkin spice. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits. There's sea salt, sugar scrub, mud mask and massage butter. That sounds absolutely amazing, doesn't it? There's 2 separate treatments that you can do, and they're numbered so you know how to use them. Oh, that sounds brilliant. I wish I could smell them. Pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, definitely a autumnal thing, isn't it? These will cost $20, and it said, made with pumpkin extract, the fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells, and vitamin A, C and E help reveal radiant skin. So that's the first item they chose. Next we got the Beauty Crop. It's a glow milk nourished with coconut and argan oil. This is an illuminating milk for face and body. There. Try a bit in my hand. I'm sure I've received it before. Maybe a different colour. Maybe they come in different shades. This is Blind Date. It does really blend out nicely. Yeah, maybe like on your shins or on my collarbones or something. Yeah, maybe that'd be quite nice. Oh, no, that's not too bad. I'm sure I've had one before, and I'm sure it's a different shade. When I first saw it, I wasn't that excited, but really blending it out, it looks really nice. It's quite a subtle sort of shimmer. I suppose you can build that up if you want a more strobe-like effect. So this will cost $19.50, and it just says here, enriched with coconut, this highlighter gives you a lit from within glow. So there's that. And then lastly, Fabfitfun chose for me a hair mask. This is by Nature Lab Tokyo, and there's 200 mils there. Now, I haven't tried anything from this brand before. Oh, that smells lovely. It smells really nice and fresh. Oh, it's nice. So what's it say? Bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. That sounds brilliant. Anything with like keratin to build up my hair, I'm all for it. This will cost you $16, and it says use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from your scalp to strands with keratin technology and argan and prickly pear oils. That's what I can probably smell. It is really nice. So yeah, so I'm quite chuffed with that as well. So looking at all the other items I could have had, but these are all the items that Fabfitfun would choose for you for this autumn box. But yeah, see there's 2 different room sprays there. They look fab, don't they? For the value, I do think it's a good box. It's not a wow box, unfortunately. It's so strange. The last 4 boxes I had last year, I thought exactly the same. I thought it wasn't a wow box. All the other boxes I've had, especially their winter box, oh my word, I loved it so much. I ended up buying a couple for my friends and family for Christmas because I thought that they would love it too. I loved it. Amazing, amazing box. And yeah, we've had some amazing ones over the last couple of months as well. Well, as they come out every couple of months, that is. But this one, nothing majorly exciting about it. Yes, I got some lovely things. You know, I've got some Stila makeup. I've got Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've got a random cutlery set, which is very random for me. So I am happy with this box. I am happy, but it's definitely not a wow box. I am gutted because I wanted those tongs and I wanted the tote bag. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to Fabfitfun? Have you made your choices yet? Are they similar to mine? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. Even if you're watching this wondering whether this is a subscription box for you or not, I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.